Here comes the Yorkshire tutorial. Take a stick, live surely me, and make 3 circles on your index finger. Cross the short stick and the long stick. The long stick goes through these 3 circles. To make the ears of the Yorkshire, leave 1 finger wide. Turn around from the left. Go through these 3 circles. To make the left ear of the Yorkshire, keep the width of the 2 ears the same. Flatten the first circle a little. The long stick goes around from the back. Press the first circle. Go through the second and the third circles and tighten it. The second and the third circles of the face are exchanged with the nostrils. It's the position of its nose and mouth. Cross the long stick and the short stick. To make the 4 legs of the Yorkshire, first make the front legs. Turn around on the body. And then make the hind legs. The rest of the body 051 goes around the body of the Yorkshire. Flatten the end of the sharp point with a wide hole stick. Tighten the 4 legs of the Yorkshire. Twist it in the opposite direction from left to right. Pick up the tail. Put the 4 legs down. Lift the head up. Adjust the body of the Yorkshire. Straighten the bones. Then pick up the hair. Pick up the hair in the body, the hair in the ears, and the hair in the mouth. After picking up the hair, brush it with a brush. Cut the curve of the mouth and nose along the nose ridge. Cut the hair in the eyes, where there is a lot of hair. We can tie a small braid in the place where the forehead hair is relatively long between the 2 ears. Put the nose on the position of the nose. Put the nose on the position of the nose. Use the wide hole stick to locate the position of the eyes. Put the eyes on the Yorkshire. Cut out the little mouth of the Yorkshire. Put on the cute little tongue. Put on the cute accessories. A beautiful and cute Yorkshire is done.